Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐵𝐞.com, and here I've got a video of a very clean, shiny, white Hijet. This is a normal cab, just a normal truck, but it's in really nice, nearly new condition. This one's going to be shipped out to the States, and there it will be for sale for off-road use only. That means you can take it on properties, farms, in the woods, anywhere where it's not on a public road. You see, for the bodywork of this, it's very clean and tidy, not been used very much at all. Have a look inside here. Seats in excellent condition, and got an airbag on the steering wheel as well. Just give it a start up. As you can see, it's a 5-speed manual. It has high and low range 4-wheel drive. This button here is for the diff lock. If I put that into gear now, that lights up, the rear diff is locked. Pull it out of gear, switch that off, the diff is unlocked. 4-wheel drive is selectable there, you press that, the light comes on the dashboard just there, and you've got 4-wheel drive now. It's got air conditioning, which is good today because it's boiling hot here, and it's working nicely. Fully enclosed cab, so as I mentioned, they're for off-road use, so they're in competition with an ATV, a normal ATV or UTV, so that is what these vehicles are, and they're quite well appointed for that. This one's even got electric windows, which is pretty good. So this one is going to be shipped out very soon. It's going to be available for sale in the US. If you're interested in this vehicle or something like this, you can have a look on our website 𝐤𝐸𝐵𝐞.com, and you'll see a lot more information on there. So thanks for watching, and we'll hope to hear from you.